In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pin to screen feature on the Wix website builder. Whether you're designing a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, pinning elements can be incredibly useful to enhance user experience. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. So, let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens, where you build and customize your website. If you're logged into your Wix account, you should see a list of your sites. From there, select the site you'd like to edit. For demonstration purposes, I'll be showing you this on a site named MySite1, but of course you'll choose the one you're working on. Now that you've got your site open in the editor, the next thing you'll need to do is select the element you want to pin. This could be anything from an image, text box, button, or any other design element you have on your page. It's really up to you and your creative vision. Selecting the right element is crucial, so take a moment to decide which part of your page should remain fixed as your visitors scroll through content. In this example, I'm going to select an image, so I'll simply click on the image element. You might have a different preference, but the process will be the same regardless of the element you choose. With the element highlighted, you'll want to right click on it. This brings up a context menu with various options for editing your chosen element. Once you've right clicked, you'll see an option that says pin to screen. Go ahead and click on that. Pinning an element keeps it stationary on the screen, which means it won't scroll away with the rest of the page. This is especially handy if you want to keep something like a call to action button or a logo visible at all times, providing uninterrupted functionality or branding no matter where your visitor navigates on your site. And there you have it, your chosen element is now pinned to the screen. Take some time to preview it, ensuring it looks good and functions as you intended. Remember, keeping user experience in mind is key when making these kinds of design decisions. You don't want to overwhelm your viewers with too much static content. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively use the pin to screen feature in the Wix website builder. It's a simple yet powerful tool that, when used thoughtfully, can dramatically improve the dynamism and usability of your website. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!